30 Days Speaking Challenge, 5 minutes daily. These 5 minutes can change your English level. Just listen and speak. Moreover, the grammar review is given in the end of story. Using do and does in questions and negative sentences. The morning breeze feels cool and fresh. Emma opens her window early in the morning. She smiles because she loves the fresh air. Her brother, David, is still sleeping. Emma walks into his room. "David, do you hear the birds?" she asks. David opens one eye. "No, I don't hear the birds. I only hear you." Emma laughs. "Do you like the morning breeze?" "Yes, I do," David says, "but I don't like waking up early." Emma opens the curtains. The sunlight fills the room. Outside, their neighbor, Mr. Brown, is watering his flowers. Emma asks, "Does Mr. Brown water his garden every morning?" David looks outside. "Yes, he does." Emma smiles. "He doesn't miss a single morning." They walk into the kitchen. Their mother is making breakfast. Emma asks, "Mom, do we have any bread?" "Yes, we do," her mother replies. David opens the refrigerator. "Oh no, we don't have any milk." His mother smiles. "That's okay. We can drink tea today." Emma asks, "Mom, does Dad drink tea every morning?" Her mother nods. "Yes, he does. He doesn't drink coffee." A few minutes later, their father comes into the kitchen. "Good morning," he says. Emma asks, "Dad, do you enjoy morning walks?" "Yes, I do," he answers. David asks, "Do you walk every day?" "Yes, I do, but I don't walk when it rains." After breakfast, the family goes to a nearby park. Children are playing happily. Some people are jogging. A small dog is running after a butterfly. Emma points to a little boy. "Does he play here every morning?" Mr. Brown, who is also in the park, smiles. "Yes, he does, but he doesn't come on Sundays." David sees an old man reading a newspaper. He asks, "Does he come here alone?" Mr. Brown replies, "No, he doesn't. His friend usually joins him." Emma watches 2 girls feeding birds. She asks, "Do they feed the birds every day?" "I think they do," says David, "but they don't feed them too much." The family sits on a bench. The cool morning breeze touches their faces. Emma says, "I love mornings." David laughs. "I don't love mornings." Emma asks, "Then why are you smiling?" David answers, "Because I love spending time with my family." Their father smiles. "See? You don't love early mornings, but you do love good company." Everyone laughs. Before they leave the park, Emma asks one last question. "Dad, does happiness come from big things?" Her father thinks for a moment. "No, it doesn't." "Then where does it come from?" Emma asks. "It comes from simple moments," he says. "The morning breeze, a warm breakfast, a walk in the park, and time with the people you love." The family walks home together. The breeze is still cool. The birds are still singing. Emma smiles and says, "What a beautiful morning." Grammar review. Questions with do. Do you hear the birds? Do you like the morning breeze? Do we have any bread? Do you enjoy morning walks? Do they feed the birds every day? Questions with does. Does Mr. Brown water his garden every morning? Does Dad drink tea every morning? Does he play here every morning? Does he come here alone? Does happiness come from big things? Negative sentences with don't. I don't hear the birds. I don't like waking up early. We don't have any milk. I don't walk when it rains. They don't feed the birds too much. Negative sentences with doesn't. He doesn't miss a single morning. He doesn't drink coffee. He doesn't come on Sundays. His friend doesn't arrive late.
happiness doesn't come from big things. Remember, use do, don't with I, you, we, they. Use does, doesn't with he, she, it. After do or does, always use the base form of the verb.